The first ever Pride Meets Terradise festival happened. The event was held on Indiana State University's campus just yesterday. The Student Government Association and LGBTQ Student Resource Center hosted the event. Other organizations from around the state, like Indy Pride, also took part. A carnival was planned as part of Pride weekend, but because of the weather, activities had to be moved inside the Holman Memorial Student Union. Organizers say the event was about creating a place for people to come together.
I think it's more of support and understanding. So when you have that support from your community, you actually do feel like you're a part of one instead of being the outsider.
Organizers say they hope to make this an annual event.